Assalamu alaikum. I am Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Nation celebrates Pakistan Day with zeal and zest. The nation is celebrating Pakistan Day with a renewed pledge to transform the country into a truly Islamic and welfare state in the line with the vision of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. PMLN finalizes strategy ahead of Maryam's appearance before NAB. Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz has finalized its strategy ahead of Maryam Nawaz's appearance before the investigators of the National Accountability Bureau on March 26. Maryam Nawaz's appearance, NAB's plea for Rangers deployment approved. The Punjab government has accepted the request of the National Accountability Bureau for making special security arrangements during the appearance of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz Vice President Maryam Nawaz on 26 March. Pakistani flags and posters with Prime Minister and Army Chief pictures put up in IIO JK. The people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir have greeted Pakistani people and government on Pakistan Day by putting up Pakistani flags for the third consecutive day in Srinagar, Kulgam, Shopian and other parts of the territory. Dollar steadies ahead of Powell testimony, housing reforms hit Kiwi. The dollar hovered below recent peaks as investors looked to US policymakers for clues on whether they may seek to slow rising yield, while the New Zealand dollar dropped after housing reforms cooled policy tightening expectations. Gold prices fall in the domestic market. The per tola gold price witnessed a decrease of 600 rupees to 1,07,500 rupees in the domestic market. 6 more health workers test COVID-19 positive in Islamabad. The novel coronavirus is rapidly spreading in Islamabad as 6 frontline health workers have been tested positive. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.